We have just arrived to our Coco Casita at Boardwalk Aruba. Trying to remember to take a picture before we junk it up with our luggage. And we did break the seal coming in, but that is the beautiful lush garden view from our room. It's a very beautiful, beautifully decorated boutique hotel, and if you're looking for somewhere to socially distance, and if you're not a fan of staying in one of the larger resorts, as I've always said, Aruba has something for everyone and anyone's taste. Let's see y'all. Smells wonderful in here. It's very clean. And as usual, my quick restroom view. So the commode, and we have a full shower. Very well done, Boardwalk Boutique Hotel Aruba. Very nice. We will check in with you later. What's over here? How cute is that? Mini fridge, microwave, stove and sink. All right, we are going to try to chillax for the rest of the day. Travel day does take a lot of energy out of you. Do a quick outside. It's beautiful.